So ano nga ba yung ginagamit natin na class pang farm dito kay Rohan 2 Global? Hey guys, this is BM and today pag-uusapan natin ngayon kung ano yung ginagamit nating class for boss hunt and also for cron farming sa Armenes. Anyway guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga panibago nating uploads regarding Rohan 2 Global. Let's go! So, welcome back mga tol, no? So today, pag-usapan natin ngayon yung ginagamit nating class for boss hunt and also for cron farming sa Armenes. Now, sa mga walang idea kung ano yung mga classes dito kay Rohan 2 Global, gagawa natin siya ng separate video para magkaroon kayo ng idea anong advantage ng mga classes na yon. So, keep watching our videos guys. Magre-release tayo ng mga videos regarding Rohan 2 information as well para magkaroon kayo ng somehow idea on what to use and what are the things that you need in the game. Okay? But anyway, simulan na natin to and i-check na natin kung ano yung mga classes na yon. So first one is sa AFK farming. Anong class yung pinakamagandang gamitin pag mag-AFK farm kayo? So ang sagot dyan is Dragon Sage. Now the reason why Dragon Sage yung ginagamit natin, it is because Dragon Sage has a lot of AoE abilities to player mobs. Okay, so for example, as you can see on the screen, this is a Dragon Sage character. And if we actually go to the skills, makikita nyo dito sa Dragon Sage options or skills na meron siyang mga skill na ang maximum target is 5. Okay, ito, maximum target ito is 3 lang. Pero somehow, kahit pa paano, marami siyang AoE skills na madedeploy. Okay? Kasi meron ditong 2 types ng character. Okay, pagdating sa category na to. So, Dragon Sage yung pinili natin, guys. Okay? So, ang pinaka-first class nito, guys, is yung Dragon Fight. Okay? Which has an AoE skills as well. So, sa simula, usually, we don't really recommend you leveling up your character using the Dragon Fight. Mas pinaka-okay pa din ang Archer, okay, or Half-Elf na character, okay, hanggang ma-reach yung level 90. Pero kung bumili na nga kayo ng character, mas maganda na Dragon Sage yung character niya para at least you are gonna be able to farm within the spot. Okay? So, nasa Armenes tayo, guys, and kung mapapansin nyo dito sa map, nandito tayo sa may malapit sa Isbaran. Okay, so yan, nandito tayo sa spot na to. So, dito tayo kadalasan nagpa-farm, guys, dahil so far, dito yung magkakadikit na mob. So, yan, kung mapapansin nyo dito, wala naman masyado nagpa-farm dito sa spot na to. So, dito talaga tayo pumipwesto. And kung mapapansin nyo, kada clear natin, nakakakuha tayo ng maraming XP and at the same time, maraming crons as well. So, dealing damage with AoE skills is easier for us to actually get more crons in the game. Now, syempre, yung pwesto nyo guys, ayusin nyo lang din para at least automatic na lahat ng mobs is talagang mako-cover. Katulad niyan, no? Nakikita nyo na sobrang daming mobs na nakiklear kapag AoE skills yung ginagamit natin. Okay, and mabilis lang naman maklear yung mga mobs dito. So, pretty much yun yung preferred class natin. In terms of the build and how you will get the skills, I will explain that on the next video, guys, kasi this is just a preview of which class to choose, especially when you are farming in this game. Okay? Ito naman yung class na ginagamit natin, guys, for boss hunt. Now, ang ginagawa ko kasi, guys, is nililipat ko lang yung equipment from our Dragon Sage to this class para at least kapag boss hunt, eh, magagamit natin siya. Okay? But this one is basically centered with skills na wala masyadong AoE. Okay? So basically, ang goal mo lang dito is just to hammer the mobs. Okay? So itong adventure class na to, may marami siyang skills na meron ding mga AoE but technically ang focus nito is basically single target. So marami kasi siyang additional skills that would penetrate the boss armor and kaya tayo somehow nakakapasok pa rin sa rankings because of that. Okay? So kung mapapansin nyo, mas masakit yung damage ito compared dun sa isa. Nag-range siya between 25-26k kapag nag-crit. So again, hindi complete yung equipments nito. That's the reason why ganyan pa lang yung damage output natin. Pero malaking tulong na rin to kasi kahit pa paano, napupunta naman tayo sa top 20 ng damage dealt sa boss. Kung mapapansin nyo din sa previous boss hunt video natin. So efficient naman to guys for boss hunting. Dadamitan nyo lang talaga yung character and lalagyan nyo lang talaga ng items para at least mas sulit yung farming nyo sa boss hunt. So these two classes can definitely help you out farm at least 50M per day. In my case, I think kaya naman yung 50M per day kasi usually nasa around 40 to 45M na yung napafarm natin. But syempre, kailangan din natin i-level up yung gears natin para somehow makasabay tayo doon sa mga matatagal na server na to. Take note na bago lang yung character natin or kabibili lang natin ito and wala pa talaga itong set. So, magka-craft pa tayo ng set nito para at least talaga namang solid na solid yung makukuha natin sa farming. But anyway, I hope meron kayong naintindihan at natutunan dito sa video na to. Please like, comment, subscribe, and hit nyo na rin yung notification bell natin guys para lagi kayong updated sa mga bagong uploads natin kay Rowan to Global. So yun lang, and alam nyo na guys, this is BM and peace out.